calling you to come, calling you to come in the yard, calling you to come. We calling you, we calling you.
The ancestors speak, and we listen. They show us the way, by and by in the rhythm. In every song, people are gonna know that this are we Tobago culture. Massa Banwe from the djembe. The tambourine was next at we fingertips. Easy to hide and portable too. The ancestors find a way for we to share our story. The spirits of the ancestors talk to we through the goat skins. I bring the tune, I carry the melody. I could do it by myself, but I prefer to share it with my friends and family. Lady Sarah always remember the most important thing in this life is that it takes two hands to play. One hand can't clap.
Whips and mirrors adorned in stripes. I am the one portraying the mocking pretender. Slave masters in their prime, whipping the backs of the blacks and getting high off the cries. Lady Sarah, you see, we can be the same. One crack to the back and I rise more resilient. Aye, 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 aye. Chop, chop and leave him tonight.
The wild cassava tree does bend to make it happen. So now wait for tree all fi try venom. It takes 2 weeks to take form, another 2 months to cure, and then you must heat it till the pitch just right. When you done the tambourine sweet are the songs of the ancestral, they never could have think, never could have dreamed to live. But this are we thing, and we gonna make sure we preserve it.
All the ancestors near and far, we calling you to come, calling you to come in